Okay guys, we're going to cook the last two flatbreads. Peel. A little bit of semolina. And quite rough. Pat it down. Black knuckles. A bit more semolina maybe, just in case. Clean lunch. Just stretch it out. I think you'll have done this before with pizzas, I would imagine. It's the same principle. Stretch out about 10 inches, 12 inches, whatever size you like. Typical size, not tear there, inch or 4. Yep, that looks good to me. And right in, give it a wee stretch when it's in the pan. So quite a high heat, I'm going to cook that for maybe about a minute or so. And then once I've cooked the bottom of it, we're going to flick it onto the edges of my grill, and we're going to cook the uncooked side over the gas flame. You can flick it and cook it as is in the pan, but it compresses all the bubbles and it doesn't look as nice. Still tastes good. We try and rotate it around a bit. I think my burner's uneven, it's got a little bit of maybe a hot spot. I'm not sure if you can see the flame, it's not bad size. It's about half, maybe third on. Check underneath, see how it's looking. Looking good, not too bad. You'll see it fully when I flip it, so give it maybe another 20 or 30 seconds. Probably about ready now. Look. Yeah, I think that's good. Somebody's always underestimate it and they don't cook it as well. It's looking good though. Yeah, it's pretty good. So when you flick it onto the grill, yep, and then swap over. You can't see it. And then just hover it over the grill and let the burners cook the bread. Whoa! Timing there on the job. Still, it's not burnt too. We're good, it's not an issue. You can always concentrate on it a bit if you think you've missed a bit. And you can hold your hand on it back and check. That's quite warm. You can stick to the little bits of the wire. You just give it a good whack and get it all. A little bit of smoke. Caught that one. Looking good though.